been enough years watching good intentions fade away. People waiting for the perfect moment until the moment slipped away. Life has taught me plenty. One lesson keeps coming around. The truth sounds better out loud. The truth sounds better out loud than rattling around in your head. I've wasted enough years waiting for the perfect words to be said. Sometimes simple is stronger than all the doubts we think about. The truth sounds better out loud. I've seen conversations linger on the tip of someone's tongue. 1,000 thoughts left stranded because the timing never comes. Maybe I've grown older, maybe I've just figured out the truth sounds better out loud. No guarantee tomorrow we'll leave the same doors open wide. The truth sounds better out loud than hiding safely in your mind. Some roads get clearer the minute you stop leaving the signs behind. If something matters, say it. Life has a way of moving on. The truth sounds better out loud. I'm not talking about grand speeches or trying to change someone's mind. Just the quiet kind of honesty too many people leave behind. A simple thought can change a day. A simple word can turn things around. Funny what happens when courage finally makes a sound. The truth sounds better out loud. It's something I believe these days. Not every heart needs convincing. Not every road needs explaining away. Sometimes all you can offer is the truth you finally found.